and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to share a Dollar Tree haul. There's a few things I've picked up from Dollarama and a fall birthday haul. I'm just going to combine into one video. So I'm just going to jump right in to what I picked up from Dollarama and go from there. Okay, so I only picked up a few things other than some containers to organize some things from Dollarama. I found this Garnier Whole Blends Illuminating Leave-In Miracle Color Protector. It's a 10-in-1 protecting remedy. It's sulfate free. I found this and I thought I would see if it's a good leave-in treatment. I do have colored hair, so we'll find out. I also found this Hydrating Argan Oil from Simile hair treatment. No parabens, phthalates, or sulfites. So I thought I would try that as a leave-in treatment for my hair. It has been more dry lately now for some reason, so I'm going to try to revive it a little bit. It's just feeling very dry and brittle. Even though the summer is kind of over, it still is warmer than it should be here, but we'll see if that helps. So now on to what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, I picked up a Be Pure Antimicrobial makeup sponge. Mine was on its last legs, so I thought I would try this for $1.50. I think that would be worth the buy. I also picked up this LA Colors blush in Toast. I thought it was a really pretty color. There is some sparkle to it, or shimmer, I should say. So I will see, but I think that's a really pretty fall kind of shade. I also found another Wet n Wild brush. This is a large concealer brush. I have liked these brushes. I think they are well worth $1.50. I have washed them and used them quite a bit. They have done perfect for that. So I seen that this was a different one I did not have, and I do actually enjoy a concealer brush, especially under the eyes. So I will wash that and use that. I probably will try to do another Dollar Tree makeup look because I do have some makeup from the last one I still haven't used. So I'm going to use that in that video. I picked up more nail polish from the Cozmic Colors. This is, it doesn't have a color, it just has an item number. But it is a really pretty sparkly orange. I also found a Cozmic Colors Iridescent nail polish. I just liked the way the color shifted and I thought it was really pretty. And I found this Nucolor nail polish. This is in 998. It doesn't, I would call this like a reddish brown tone, and I thought that would be perfect for fall, so I grabbed that. And that is pretty much what I did grab, other than more containers from the Dollar Tree. So on to my birthday haul and fall. Okay, so these are things my children gave me for my birthday, which was beginning of September. They gave me a soothing candle. This one smells, I would say vanilla or maybe sugar cookie kind of scent. They also found me a best mom ever mug. I don't know. They're too kind to me. They also found me some pumpkins. These are metallic. This one kind of got a little broken when they were bringing it home because the bag broke. So somebody around in the area seen them struggling and gave them a bag. That was really kind of them to help them out. And they got me a little metallic acorn, which I thought was really cute. And more golden one, metallic one. So I've been decorating already for fall. Basically, once my birthday comes, I count it as fall already. I know technically that's not true, but I love fall, and I'm hoping that within the next little while, it's going to be more fall clothing like weather. That would be lovely. But we'll see. All right, so I'm going to show you more of what they picked up. So my daughter, I believe, picked this more crackled ceramic pumpkin and a little knit pumpkin in a similar cream kind of color, and this green velvet pumpkin. I love velvet and green, so this one's right up my alley. I just love anything fall. They also got these little candles that come in a cute little jar. This one is Sunflower Fields. It really does smell like sunflowers, which that is my favorite flower, is sunflowers. They're just so cheerful. And an apple orchard, I think this one smells more like green apples, which I like as well. My mom gave me some tea from David's Tea. This one is Country Lemonade. Coffee Pura Pura. And Sleepy Lychee. They also got me a cute, soft pink blanket, but my dog Rosie has already stolen it, and I don't know if I'm getting that back. For a while, Diesel had it because he really loved it, and then Rosie took it from him. So it's making its rounds. I may get it back one day. And a beautiful necklace, which I already kind of broke, so I won't be bringing that and wearing that around much. Just, I'm not very delicate with things sometimes, so I'll fix that one and save that for special occasions. But the message with it was very touching. I just can't read it because I won't be able to say everything on there without crying. So it was very touching though. All right, on to the last few things. So my daughter found this cute little plaque. I'm going to put a cute little fall message on it. I did forget to buy chalk, so I'm gonna have to try to find some of that so I can write on there. She also gave me a matching pumpkin to go with that. And she made me this cute little wreath, which I placed the bigger pumpkin into the middle of. I think that's really cute and perfect for like a table display. And my daughter picked up some socks. These are from Old Navy. She usually picks those up every year, and she gave me a bunch of them in different orange and black and different patterns like that. Everyone kind of knows I love socks, so it's kind of something they get a lot of for me. So that is my Dollar Tree, Dollarama, and birthday haul. I hope you enjoyed watching. I thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.